In this video, we're going to be comparing Klaviyo versus Brevo. If you're trying to pick the right email marketing platform for your business, there is a pretty good chance that Klaviyo and Brevo keep showing up on your list. Both of them are solid tools, but they are built for very different types of users, and choosing the wrong one can cost you more than just money. Which is why in this video, I'm going to be breaking down everything that you need to know. We're going to be comparing the pricing, features, automation, ease of use, and integrations so that you can figure out which one actually fits your business. If you would like to try out either one of the platforms, go ahead and navigate to the links in the description for your convenience. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started, starting with who these platforms are for. Now, as I mentioned earlier, these tools were designed with completely different users in mind. Klaviyo, for example, is built for e-commerce brands that want deep control over their marketing. Think of Shopify store owners running complex customer journeys, marketing teams analyzing purchase behavior, and brands that want to personalize every single email based on real customer data. If you have the budget and the data to back it up, Klaviyo gives you serious horsepower. Brevo, on the other hand, is built for simplicity and speed. It's made for solo founders, small teams, and businesses that want solid email marketing without a steep learning curve. You can jump in, drag and drop your emails together, and start sending right away. It's also not just email. Brevo handles SMS, WhatsApp, live chat, and even has a built-in sales CRM, which makes it more of an all-in-one communication platform. So in short, Klaviyo is for optimizing every detail of the customer journey, and Brevo is for getting things done quickly and affordably. Next up, let's go ahead and talk about pricing, because this is usually where people make their decision. The biggest difference here is how each platform would charge you. Klaviyo charges based on the number of active profiles in your account. So that means every contact that you store counts towards your bill, whether you email them or not. Their free plan would give you up to 250 profiles with 500 email sends per month, plus email support for the first 60 days. Once you move to a paid plan, pricing will start at about $20 per month for up to 500 contacts, and as your list grows, those costs will go up fast, hitting roughly $100 per month at around 5,000 contacts. If you would like to see the exact pricing for the active profiles that you're looking for, you can slide the sidebar right here and see the cost jump up with the emails per month that you have available. Brevo, however, takes the opposite approach. They charge based on the number of emails that you send, not how many contacts that you have. You can store up to 100,000 contacts on the free plan and send up to 300 emails per day. The starter plan begins at just $9 per month for 5,000 emails. If you need automation or landing pages, the starter plan will increase for up to $18 per month. Here's why this matters. If you are building a big list but you're not emailing everyone every single week, Brevo will almost always be cheaper and more efficient. But if you are running a smaller, high-value list and you need Klaviyo's data tools, then the extra cost might be worth it for the revenue that it will help you generate. Both platforms have pricing calculators on their websites, so I would recommend plugging into your own numbers to see exactly what you would pay. Alright, so now that we know how much each one costs, let's take a look at what you actually get for your money. Klaviyo is like a premium toolkit built specifically for e-commerce. The biggest strength is predictive data. It can estimate things like a customer's next purchase date, their lifetime value, and how likely they are to churn. You get over 60 pre-built automation templates designed for online stores, covering everything from abandoned cart flows to VIP campaigns, win-back sequences, and price drop alerts. There is also a dynamic content engine that lets you personalize emails with product recommendations and real-time inventory updates, all without manually touching anything. So that's for Klaviyo. Brevo takes a more straightforward approach. You get a clean drag-and-drop editor, solid templates, behavioral triggers, A/B testing, and branching logic for your workflows. Where Brevo really stands out though is the multi-channel. You're not limited to just emails, you can send SMS, WhatsApp messages, and push notifications, and build automated workflows that combine all of them. Brevo also includes a built-in CRM for managing sales pipelines and a live chat widget for talking to websites visitors in real time, and neither one of those come with Klaviyo. Another big difference is that Brevo includes transactional emails like order confirmations and shipping updates on all plans. With Klaviyo, that kind of messaging takes more setup and usually comes with additional overhead. The next important category to talk about is the automation one, as this is where Klaviyo really shines. It is built for businesses that want to create sophisticated, data-driven customer journeys. You can build flows based on highly specific behaviors, like someone who viewed a product but did not add it to their cart, Or a customer who usually buys every 90 days but hasn't come back yet. Layer in predictive analytics and dynamic content, and you can fine-tune every single touchpoint. Brevo keeps things simpler but still effective, as you can get all the essential automations, welcome sequences, cart reminders, re-engagement flows, and event-based triggers. Finally, let's go ahead and talk about the ease of use, as this one's pretty clear-cut. Brevo's interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. You can build campaigns, set up automations, and preview everything without getting lost. Klavio has more depth, but that comes with a steeper learning curve. As I mentioned earlier, if you're not used to working with customer data, building complex flows, or managing segments, it will feel overwhelming at first. But once you learn it, it's incredibly powerful, but again, you'll still need to invest the time upfront. So here is the bottom line: if you're just getting started, running a small business, or you want an affordable all-in-one platform that handles email, SMS, WhatsApp, and even live chat, you want to go with Brevo. However, if you are running a serious e-commerce operation and you want that deep personalization, predictive analytics, and advanced Shopify integration, Klavio is built for that. It does cost more, but the data tools can help you pull more revenue from every customer interaction. If you're still not sure about which one to pick yourself, both platforms offer free plans, so go ahead and test them out for yourself. Once again, I will leave links to both of them below this video so you can check them out yourself and see which one fits your business best. If you have found this video to be helpful or informative to watch, make sure to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.